Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on January 26, 2022. I hope our creator is keeping you well and safe wherever you are in the world. And as we can clearly see today, we have had quite a bit from literally right at midnight. We've had quite a few C flares popping off today. We did have a pretty significant one here, C7 as far as C's go. Once you get up above C5, we should really be paying close attention to it. So that's a pretty significant, and it was actually a long-term event, it looks like, where it was just consistently throwing out some plasma. So let's go take a peek at it, shall we? Let's go over here to ISWA, and we're going to take a peek at this bad boy here. Now, I want to make note of something. Anybody notice how this has two eyes and a little crap-eating smile on his face? Like, look at this right here. Y'all see that? Almost looks like he got a nose right there too. But anyway, this is actually the region that we're looking for, which is kind of odd enough. And as we're moving advance, we're going to see the pop. Whoosh. You guys see that? This is the region that it came from. We have incoming plasma. This is directly facing Earth. 100%. So we can see that, right? Now let's go ahead and get rid of Cletus. And we'll come on over here to 193, and we'll take a peek at it on here. Alright. Check this out. I'm not sure how... Is it moving? Yeah, it's moving. Now you notice, we actually had something pop off right over in this region too. So we got plasma coming in from this fella right here too. Y'all see that? Whoosh. Oh, satellite got impacted. It's getting the shakes. Shaking it out. Come on, finish up with it, stinker. There we go. Ooh, we had another one too. This is all Earth facing too. Right up top right. See it? Right here. This goes boosh. Now, it's not major. It's just a little guy, but it still popped off right in our direction. And then right after that, this bugger's going to go whoosh. See that? This is opened up straight at us. This is directly Earth-facing. We are not along the equatorial plane of the sun. We are more down in this region. And this is right facing us. So we are going to get some plasma out of that, folks. I don't care what anybody says. Plasma is inbound. And then we'll check it out again here on the 304. Oop, come on now. And I'm actually going to start it in another location, right as we can see. Oh yeah, that eclipse again. Just because that's really cool to see. It was kind of... And of course our little friend there off to the right side there. How you doing, buddy? And then we'll scooch off of it. And we'll load all that plasma dancing around. Now actually, look here. Remember what I was telling you? When we were right over here, and I showed y'all that one that was on the left side over here. Yeah, watch this. I'm going to zoom right in on it. We've got filament right here. So y'all see this right here? This is a filament line. You're going to watch that come off. Watch this. Whoosh, coming right off at us. Ain't that funny? Like right after that thing let go and throw that plasma out there, bam, it hit the satellite. Oh, look at that. I didn't even see this before. Look at this. We got a friend right over here. How you doing, little fella? How you doing? But yeah, so we got plasma coming in right from that one alone. I'm not sure about the rest of it, but I know that there's going to be plasma out of it too. So there is lots of stuff going on, but it's nothing major, nothing to freak out about. But there is quite a bit of plasma. It's just not in heavy concentrations. It's just coming our way. But let's go check out Lasco C2 and C3. See if we can see any more friends. Here we are looking at Lasco C2 and Lasco C3, and really the biggest thing I have to report is something huge just blocked the sun. Look at that. You see that? From 1748 to 1800. That's a difference of 12 minutes. Right there. What the heck went here and blocked the sun where you can't see no light out of here? It's a little sus. A little suspicious. But it also kind of did it over here too. Look at this. All of a sudden got darker right here. What the hell? Now, if we look over here, it's 1754. So from here, is 1748. But here it's lit at 1754. So from 1754, oh, I said hello, I said over here. Thank you. Let's go, bam, 1806. So it's there on 1806. So the earliest time we got 1754, and it's still lit to 1800. So within, think about this, folks, within 6 minutes, from 1754 to 1800 is 6 minutes. Within 6 minutes, something so damn big got in the way of the sun where it made it look shaded over here and shaded over here. How to do that? What the hell is that big? Oh, I don't know. Nemesis, our second star, coming in for one way. They're actually probably coming in this way, just kind of bloop, just blocking out the sun. Come on, folks. We need to wake up. It is here at the sun right now as we speak, going around, dancing, getting pushed off as it gets close. Whoop, and then it gets pushed back out by the coronal mass ejections and the flares pushing it off because it ain't happy. Our sun ain't happy that it's here. It's like, man, man, this is my space. Get over in your own space. You got your own little solar system. You got your own little planets. Get the heck on out of here. But nah, little brother wants to come in here and just keep messing with it. Man, that's how it's going. Folks, keep your eyes open. This is why I do this. I compare things back and forth to see what's going on. Let's start opening that third eye, that pineal gland, start waking up to the world around us. I mean, China just created another sun that's 5 times better. Why did they do that? What's about to happen to our sun? Or is it going somewhere? Or is something about to happen to it? Is it about to go dark? Is it going to have a micronova? Yep. That's for sure. Is Nemesis going to go whizzing by? Yep. That's for sure. They've been talking about it in the Bible. Dude, it's in the Bible, folks. I mean, it's all over in different. I mean, you got the Hopi tribe, the blue and red Kachina. The Egyptians talk about it in their ancient tablets. It's everywhere, folks. This is real deal. It is gonna happen. Stay safe out there, folks. Eyes open. Don't be afraid. And remember that love is the only way forward.